In front of me is Nokia 1.3, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So first of all, let's open Phone Dialer, then make sure that you are in Contacts, and then select the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. In my case it's Tom, then click on Edit Contact, and mark camera icon. And you can either take a photo, it's a perfect solution if someone is staying right in front of you, you can smoothly grab a photo and apply it immediately after taking, or you can choose something from your gallery. And let me pick pictures, choose the photo that you would like to add to this contact. Here we've got it, you can smoothly crop it, and then click on Done. Finally tap on Save to apply the changes, and that's it. As you can see, from now on this photo is assigned to Tom, and anytime he will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture at first. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.